Okay, so we're going to start the next lesson in Chapter 8, which is Inequalities. I'll explain a little bit about what inequalities are in a second. Yes, I do know there's eyeballs on my head. My ears were cold. Don't judge me. So our essential question is, how can mental math help you find solutions to inequalities? Well, first of all, we got to figure out what an inequality is. All right. An inequality is a number that is not exactly equal to another number. All right, and you might ask, why did you say it's not exactly? And you a little hesitated, because an inequality can also mean that it is that it could be equal to something else. So the symbols, this might help to make sense. The symbols that are used in inequalities are, you guys all know this one, right? That's greater than. This is, oops. All right, this is less than. And then you have this little symbol like that, okay, where it's the greater than, and did it again, which is also greater than, but also a line underneath it. That line underneath it means equal to. So let's fix this for the last time. Okay. So this one right here, it's got the greater than symbol, and it's got half of an equal sign. So that is going to be greater than or equal to. That's why I kind of hesitated with saying it's a number that's not equal, because it could be greater than, or you guessed it, less than, or equal to. All right. So let's see what that looks like in math. All right. Here is an example. Sorry, I almost knocked over my table. Here is an example of what an inequality would look like. Here we have 9 plus b is greater than or less than 17. Okay, so this right here tells us it's less than. Okay, not less than or equal to, but just less than. So whatever we put in for b plus 9 has to be less than 17. So in order to figure that out, you could do your mental math, right? It could be any of these numbers. So we've got 9 plus 1 is 10. We have 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Oh, I'm getting closer. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 7 is 16. Mess up once. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, so this one right here wouldn't work, right? Because it's equal to 17, and this does not have half of an equal sign, so it's got to be less than 17. So my answer then is any of these numbers. Oops, sorry, this is B. B can be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. I guess you can also say it could be 0, right? I mean, 9 plus 0 is 9, which makes it less than 17, so that could work as well. All right, and in some cases, we need to solve for a variable. All right, so let's look at solving for a variable. All right, so let's say I wanted to solve. Which number is a solution of the inequality f plus 2 is less than 9. Okay, so f plus 2 is less than 9. Here are the numbers that they give us to try to solve for. Okay, so which of these numbers is a solution of the inequality? Let's pretend those are bubbles. We can bubble them in. Is the solution of the inequality f plus 2 is less than 9. So in order to figure that out, I'm going to have to look at this. So if I do f plus 2 and 6 is f, so it'll be 6 plus 2 equals 8. Okay, so that's possible. This one is 7 plus 2 equals 9. All right, well, that's not going to work, right? Because it's got to be less than 9. And 8 plus 2 is 10, and that is not less than 9 either. So our answer then is 6. So 6 would work. All right, okay, here's another type of problem that you'll see. All right, is the given value a solution of the inequality? Question mark. Okay, so here I have, I blinked, I hope you guys are still with me. Here we have 12 is less than or greater to 18 minus y. All right, so we have 12 is less than or equal to 18 minus y. All right, and if they give us the information y equals 6, does that work? Okay, be a yes or no kind of question. All right, so the way to figure that out then would be, let's see, so I have y is 6, so this would be 18 minus 6, which is, what's 18 minus 6? 12. So is this true? 12 is less than or equal to 12? Well, yes. 12 is equal to 12. Okay, now if this line was not there, that wouldn't be true, right? So 12 is not less than 12. Okay, so but that little underline underneath it, the half of an equal sign, makes all the difference. All right, well, that's pretty much all I got for you. And go ahead and do the knowledge check so I can see what groupings we'll have tomorrow. You guys have a good rest of your night. Now it's so awkward because now I got to turn off